I've been in a run, jumped off for the sun. Put my gun with my black gold gums. I'm no fun, blood run. Marathons to my chest.
What's going on, guys? This is Jake here, back in. And guys, thank you so much for the support on my channel. But yeah, guys, remember Uncle? Say hi, Uncle!
What's poppin', guys? It's me, Uncle!
Yeah, guys. Well, this tutorial we're gonna be doing today, guys, is so radical and so sussy. And what is it gonna be, Uncle?
We're gonna be finding the very sussy base in Jailbreak.
Whoa! Well, anyways, guys, what you want to do is make sure this guy is blue, like
my skin color.
Yeah, exactly. And make sure the helicopter is blue, right? And go into the driver's seat, and make sure your uncle's also in the back, and also make sure he's a pedophile. Right. So what you want to do is go really high in the sky, like sky high.
Whoa!
Whoa, guys. Alright, so basically, what we're gonna do is, you need to attempt to land on this. If you don't land on this, the tutorial won't work. And as you see, guys, whoa, America, California! Whoa, whoa, Uncle, where are you from?
California!
Yeah, I'm like brother, the fucking bastard. He's from Texas. No. Anyways, guys, make sure you're from America, or else this isn't gonna fucking work. Alright, now get back into the helicopter. And whoa, look, smoke! Alright, so what you want to do, guys, is go into the smoke. Uncle, for a really funny prank before we get there, press G!
Jake, look! Radical!
I'm gonna look at my phone.
Jake, what the fuck are you doing?
Alright, guys, so, Uncle actually teleported there. Uncle, are you there?
Jake, I'm in the secret base and there's loads of cars that look really expensive. Whoa! And there's lava!
Whoa, I'll check it out. Well, I need to jump out the fucking helicopter because I'm dying. I'm here, Uncle. No, I can't get in, no! Right, Uncle, I got a helicopter. Are you in the base?
Yeah, Jake, and the helicopter sounds pretty fucking cool.
Yeah, guys. Well, what's it? Is there any cool vehicles down there?
There's some cars here, but, some of them are quite expensive, and I can't use them.
Well, anyways, guys, see what Uncle just said there? Just make sure to tune in for the next tutorial, in order to, well, you know, get all the cars and all the money. Are you so excited, Uncle?
Yeah, we could call Wario to help us out.
Wario? Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up by jumping into the volcano because it can kill myself. Bye!
Whoa, Jake, that's pretty fucking cool, huh?